I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Prime Photo Storage. First, ensure you have an active Amazon Prime membership. Amazon Prime Photo Storage offers unlimited full-resolution photo storage for Prime members, meaning you can back up all your precious memories without worrying about space. You also get 5 gigabytes of video storage. To get started, simply download the Amazon Photos app on your smartphone or visit the Amazon Photos website on your computer. Log in with your Amazon Prime account credentials, and you're ready to begin preserving your digital life. Uploading your photos and videos is incredibly straightforward. On the Amazon Photos app, you can enable automatic backup, so every new picture you take is instantly saved. If you prefer, you can manually select specific photos or entire folders from your computer or mobile device to upload. Amazon Photos supports a wide range of file types, including popular image formats like JPEG, PNG, and even RAW files, ensuring your high-quality images are preserved exactly as they were captured. It's a seamless way to consolidate all your visual memories. Keeping your photo library organized is simple with Amazon Photos. You can create custom albums for events, trips, or specific people, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. The Family Vault is a fantastic feature, allowing you to invite up to 5 family members to share unlimited photo storage, consolidating everyone's memories in one place. Sharing is also effortless. You can send individual photos or entire albums to friends and family via email, social media, or a secure link, maintaining control over who sees your cherished moments. Beyond basic storage, Amazon Photos offers several powerful features. Its facial recognition technology can help you quickly find all photos of a specific person, saving you hours of searching. You can also easily order high-quality prints, custom photo books, and other personalized gifts directly from your stored images. Your entire library is accessible across all your devices, from your smartphone to your smart TV. Just remember, while photos enjoy unlimited storage, videos are limited to 5 gigabytes, so manage your video uploads accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.